Method 1, the most commonly used, but the most limited. Select all the vertices you want to align, press S, followed by the axis you want to align them on, then 0. The problem with this method is that all vertices move to a median point. But sometimes you need some of them fixed and just align the rest. And also you need an axis to align them on. If you have a complex shape, you may need an align that doesn't match any axes. The next method solves one of these problems. Let's say you need to align this part to this one without moving the lower part to preserve the rest of the object. Let's see what happens using the previous method. That's not what we wanted. So, select one of the vertex you want to keep in place, and press Shift S, cursor to selected, to move the cursor to it. Now change the pivot point to 3D cursor. Now select the vertices again. Press S, Z, 0, and hit Enter. This way, the transformation occurs towards the 3D cursor, and since the vertices we wanted to keep in place are at the same location on Z than the 3D cursor, they won't move. We are still depending on the axes to align the vertices. On the third method, we will be able to align vertex on any situation. Let's say we need to align these 3 vertices, moving only the vertex on the middle. Since we don't have an axis that matches that line, we will have to create one. Select the 2 vertices that need to stay fixed. Go to Transform Orientations, create a new one and select it. This new orientation will be aligned with the line created by the 2 vertex. Press Shift S, cursor to selected, to move the 3D cursor. Select the 3 vertices. Change the pivot point to 3D cursor. Press S, Shift Y to scale along X and Z axes, then 0 on your numpad and hit Enter. This method has no restrictions, you can use it on every case that requires it. It can also be used with faces, and combined with the other methods. Here you can see a quick demonstration. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. Leave a comment, like the video or subscribe to the channel if you find it useful. It encourages me to keep creating and sharing content for all of you. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you like, all links are in the description. Thanks for watching.